for the component SA4018SRWA. So in this we are having two things only, symbol and PCB footprint. I will attach this link in the description. So here the option is download SA40 model. When you click, this will start downloading. So it's downloaded in my system. So I'm using component search engine to install symbol and PCB footprint of the component. Go to the download folder. Here you will have a WinRAR-zip folder and a step file. So extract this folder. So when you extract this, these files appear. So you can see there is a folder, and in this, if you are using KiCad, open KiCad, and here you will see a system. This is for symbol, and this is for a footprint. These are another files. So now open your KiCad software. Here create a file for the project. So now here click on schematic. So now you can see here we are having a symbol, but we are not having a footprint. Here you can see a KiCad_mod, DCM_SYM sim and other files. But for footprint we need .pretty file. So let's see how we have to create that folder. So now click on right click on new, create folder, and give the name. So give this name .KiCad_pretty, and this mod file cut from here and paste it in that folder. Now I have pasted. Now open this page of the KiCad. Go to the footprint editor. So when you open this footprint editor, go to the preference, click on manage footprint libraries, click on plus, then go to the folder, then select this file that we have created, .KiCad_pretty. Single click on this folder and then go to the select folder, click on this. Now .pretty file is added for footprint. Click on OK. Now close the footprint editor. So now you can see the footprint of this component is added. But remember one thing, name must be same in every file, just like here SA40-18SRWA. If you change any of this, it will not show footprint.